Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to use VPN for TikTok. So currently we're on VPN and by default it's showing us content and assuming we're in the country we're in. If you'd like to use VPN for TikTok, in order to have access to certain features, all you need to do is to choose a VPN. In our case, we're using Proton VPN, and it has a quick connect feature. When you click on it, it's going to choose a location for you, and automatically we're connected to the Netherlands. We're going to click on refresh on our TikTok. And you might not really see a difference, but if you're looking for a specific feature on TikTok, you will be able to have access to this because you're using a different VPN. Of course, if you're looking for a VPN for a specific country, you'll need to come over here to choose the country which you're looking for. However, this is for the paid version and you'll need to pay in order to have a specific country of your choosing. If you'd like to change the server, you'll need to wait because this is the free version for about 9 minutes in order to change it. Alternatively, you can click on disconnect, click on connect again, and this might give you a different location. If it gives you the same, you'll need to wait in order to change the server. When this happens, you'll be able to continue using TikTok, whether it's banned in your region or it's blocked for some reason. We hope this video was helpful, and if it did, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.